hold on to your taste buds because this butter chicken is saucier than your favorite gossip. And trust me, you're gonna want every last juicy morsel. You might even lick the plate. I have here 6 chicken breasts. When you see the recipe at the end, it won't be this much. I'm making extra because when friends and family found out what I was making today, now apparently we're having company. So the full recipe will be at the end, but we just wanted to get this started because we need to get the chicken marinating, and I wanted to show you, I have portioned out here all the spices that are going to go in it, and again at the end it'll all be in the amounts that you need for the recipe. So here we have the chicken. I just want to squeeze some fresh lemon on here, some plain Greek yogurt, fresh garlic, garlic powder and onion powder, and cumin, fresh ginger, oh that's going to be so good, turmeric, garam masala that went in there, and a little bit of cayenne. All of this smells so good. So we're just going to give this a mix, and you know, ideally, I mean, you could do this and let it marinate overnight and it would just be absolutely beautiful. But you know, I'm just going to let it marinate here for about 3 hours, and that should give it enough time to infuse all the flavors and tenderize the chicken. Okay folks, this is cooking up and warming up nicely. Let's get this in the pan. I'm gonna try and okay, I'm turning this down to a minimum. The chicken is cooked. And I have, okay, let's see how I can do this right. I have here mixed the crushed tomatoes, and I have a can of, today I used a can of coconut milk to mix in here. And there's our sauce. Okay, you know the drill. We're going to move over to the other side. All right. So here we have it. And remember, folks, I made extra. I know this looks like a lot, but I made extra because people found out what I was cooking tonight. So let's get this plated up. I have here basmati rice. Okay. And here I have a tomato and okra and onion and garlic. Oh, here's the delightful butter chicken. We're going to put some of that on top. Oh, look at that. Going to put a little bit of this on the side. Oh, and look at this garlic naan. Does that not look delightful? You know, if you're not licking the plate on this little secret, that means you must be coming back for seconds. Because this butter chicken is the juiciest gossip your kitchen's ever heard. And I know you'll be back to either spill the beans or spill the sauce. So, from my kitchen to yours, stay saucy. Cheers.